Hi everybody, today we have 3 sets of products. For one for $10 and for the other $100, we will cook french fries from each of them. In the set for $1, we have salt, a little bit of butter, and potatoes are waiting for us. First of all, we will peel it. Now we cut the potato into slices. And chop it into straws. I decided to make a form factor of these potatoes, about like a McDonald's. We shift the fries into some cold water. And give some time for the excess starch to come out of the potatoes. We spread out some paper towels. We take out the potatoes and put them right on the paper towels. We soak the potatoes from excess moisture, otherwise they will shoot oil all over the kitchen. Pour the oil into a small frying pan. And put it on to heat up. First, we heat up to 140 degrees and do the so-called primary roasting. Its main task is simply to warm up the potatoes inside and make them softer. Literally 3 minutes, we take them out of the deep fryer. Each fry must pass to this stage. Done. But now we heat the oil even more, up to 170 degrees. Now we will give the potatoes a crispy crust. Done. Now we transfer them to the paper towels so that the oil is absorbed and it remains crispy for a long time. Our fries for $1 can only be thoroughly salted mixed up and served. That's it, they're ready, and they look just fine. Let's taste it. This is like exactly the same as the ones from McDonald's. I think everybody's gonna like this. So now we have products for $10. You can immediately see that everything is more interesting here. We peel the potatoes. Cut them into slices, but already thicker than the last time. And then we make the strips thicker. We put these into a saucepan. This cooking method will differ from the past in that we will achieve the softness of potatoes by cooking them. Therefore, we fill it up with water and put them on to heat up. From the moment of boiling, cook for 5 minutes and drain the water through a colander. We put these into a bowl. Pour in some cornstarch and roll them up. We will make a deep fryer, and this time we have much more oil. Therefore, it'll be possible to fry everything at once. Preheat the fryer to 170 degrees and throw in the potatoes. Fry for 3 minutes, and then you can pull them out. Let's salt them. and add some paprika with a super smoky flavor. Now mix and roll them up. In my opinion, it already looks better than the first fries. But we can also make some cheese sauce from this set. Put some butter into a frying pan and melt it onto the stove. As a thickener, add some flour and mix. Pour in the milk, salt, and open up some cheddar cheese. We put this into the sauce as well, and mix it all up until smooth. We pour the ready-made sauce into a sauce bowl. That's it, the fries for $10 are completely ready. Now let's try them. You guys, this is twice as delicious as the first fries. And now we will cook potatoes from the most expensive set of products for as much as $100. First of all, we opened up the jar and take out some dried white truffle. Using a knife, we turn this into a crumb. We open up some Parmesan cheese and grate it into a fine powder. Pour some heavy cream into a saucepan. Add the truffle and Parmesan. Now you just need to heat this all up. Stirring constantly, thicken it. There you go. We turn to the potatoes themselves. Here the tubers are already selected. We clean them. Then cut them into medium-sized cubes. We put all the fries into a frying pan. And open the champagne. Pour it into the frying pan. Also, I'll pour in some vinegar. And on the highest heat setting on the stove, under a closed lid, simmer the potatoes for 5 minutes. We drain the already unnecessary liquid. Put the potatoes into a bowl, starch them, and mix and roll them up. We will fry them in duck fat. Open up the jars and pour into a frying pan. To make the volume larger, add a little bit of oil and mix. We warm up the fryer and finally fry our VIP French fries. Like all the ones before, they need to be salted. It's served in a basket. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Get some truffle crumbs. And finally, for some flair, edible gold. Now we just need to serve our truffle cream sauce. And our French fries for as much as $100 are ready. Let's try them. This is the best French fry I've ever tasted. Thanks to the fact that we used some duck fat, it has its own absolutely special taste, while the sauce is just perfect. And if you want me to continue this series of $1 versus $10 versus $100, then let's get 150 likes on this video. Bye everybody!